Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Neighborhood Karen Thinks She's Untouchable.
On May 24th, 2025, officers responded to a call of a neighbor making racist comments towards other neighbors over a parking spot.
Hi, Tracy.
Hi, how are you?
I'm all right. I wish I didn't have to be here to talk with you about what I'm talking with you about.
Why are you here? Because of what?
Well, because of what you were doing today. You can't just be flipping people off, making them feel uncomfortable.
Because a Mexican, stalked me?
Okay. I don't think that's what happened.
You know what? They need to go back to Mexico.
Okay, you can't be saying things like that. All right?
I can.
No,
yeah, I can. No, it's not racist.
So here's the thing, Tracy.
It's our president of the United States.
Tracy.
Our president of the United States, Trump.
Tracy.
No impact right here.
That's neither here nor there, okay? They live over there, you live over here, all right? We're gonna stay like that, but if you start touching people's cars, leaving notes on it, listen, just listen.
Time out. Time the out.
I've seen the notes.
Time the out. When did you see the notes?
She just showed them to me.
When?
Just now.
From when?
It's in the past. I don't know. She said it started.
It's in the past.
She said it started.
It's
3
in the
years ago.
past.
The notes are.
Right.
But the behavior is continuing.
I don't give a shit.
Okay, well, you probably should, because that's why we're here.
No.
And then this could lead to criminal charges if things...
Criminal charges for what? Because they need to go back to Mexico?
We could start with disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct for what?
At the very least.
Well,
You're alarming and disturbing people.
Disturbing people how?
They don't feel safe because of what you're doing and saying and how you're acting.
Right, because they park their car on my street?
Your street is... You do not own the street.
Oh, okay, so...
You're more than welcome to park your car there, so they can't.
Okay, so... Trump says...
Trump has nothing to do with North
Trump's
Aurora
our
right now.
president.
I understand that, but he has nothing
You understand that, right?
Yes, but he has nothing to do with North Aurora.
Okay, you understand that, right? Correct?
Correct.
You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand that?
Tracy, you've asked me that 4 times in a row, and I've said the same thing.
And I've said the same thing to you.
No,
They park there.
They can do that.
They can do that, and they're looking at me.
It's a public street. Everyone pays the same taxes.
I pay the same taxes too.
All right, then you...
Yeah, but I'm a Trump supporter too, but Trump just doesn't not like Mexicans. First, Trump has a thing with illegal immigrants, okay? Illegal. That's the part that everyone fails to miss. Illegal immigrants. Not just because they're of Mexican descent do they... What the hell? What kind of Trump supporter is this? She is... Oh, boy.
You can also park your car there. But this is...
I don't park my car there.
Tracy, can we all agree that this is a little ridiculous?
No, I can't agree. I can't agree.
Okay. I think what you...
Jackass is contacting me via no caller ID.
I don't care. Tracy.
Yeah, you don't care because...
I don't care about that. I'm not here for that.
I could die, and you don't care.
I am not here for that. What I think you need to do is go inside.
Tracy,
I think you need to
go inside.
Dee Mao.
Tracy, I can put a front line in so that people do extra patrols in the neighborhood for that.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to talk to him now, okay? Because you are nothing.
Tracy.
Like my dad served in the U.S. Army.
If you want to talk to him,
and
talk
you
to
don't
him.
deserve a flag on your casket.
Okay.
So I'm going to talk to him.
Okay. If you want to talk to him, then do that.
Yeah, but even listen to what she's saying. She's talking about Mexicans, right? And does she not think that anyone in the army is of Mexican descent?
Here, but you can't be yelling at your neighbors just because they're a certain race. You can't be targeting them because they're a certain race.
I didn't say they were a certain race.
Well, you said they were Mexican. They had to go back to Mexico.
Well,
you said that.
They do.
No, they don't. They're citizens here that can stay here.
Are they citizens?
How would you know that?
How do you know that?
I can't assume that they're not citizens. If someone's here, I just assume they're citizens
maybe
until
you need to go down there and find out.
How do I know you're a citizen?
Because my dad served in the United States Army.
That doesn't
What if
mean
their
you're a
parents served in the United States
I'm a
Army?
citizen.
But how do I know you are compared to them?
Exactly.
So then should we send you back to wherever your ancestors are?
Where am I? I'm in the United States of America.
So are they.
So where are they? I'm not talking to you.
They're in the United
by
States
the way,
of America.
That's
I'm
fine.
not talking to you.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, I appreciate that too.
All right.
Tracy,
I've never seen you.
he's sleeping anyways. Don't worry about it.
I'm gonna talk to you.
You can't.
My dad served the United States Army
We appreciate
and fought for our country.
We appreciate that.
That's right.
That's
I have
to allow
Agent Orange,
certain
by the way,
freedoms
you
in this
little
country.
millennial.
And you can't be
You're a
restricted.
fucking millennial
Okay.
that
Tracy.
keeps smiling.
Tracy.
Keep smiling.
Tracy.
My dad, I have
wasn't
Agent
talking.
Orange. I have Agent Orange in my bloodstream.
Okay.
You weren't even born when my dad served our country.
Correct. You are
Correct.
You are more than
correct. So you got me on video?
Yes.
All right, I'm not talking to you
All right.
anymore.
You've said that a couple times.
I'm not
now.
talking to you. You're a little millennial.
You're good to go.
All right. So you're being cited for disorderly conduct. It's a must appear. Okay. So June 18th, you have to go to the Northfield Police Department and talk to them about your
Didi
behavior.
Mao. Didi Mao.
Don't know what you're saying.
I'm saying Didi Mao is Vietnamese for get out.
Okay. Fair enough. June 18th. Don't miss it.
Bye-bye.
The woman was cited for disorderly conduct. Thanks for watching today's video. Stay tuned as we have another.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. That lady is a trip, man. She is a trip. They're Mexican descent, so they need to go back to Mexico. Golly. You can't make this stuff up, man. Anyway, yeah, I mean, I don't know what's going on because I feel like people get the Trump message like confused, and it's more about, you know, just like white power and this and that and the third or whatever, and he just don't like any other races and all this other stuff, and you're completely missing the ball, completely missing it. He has a thing with illegal immigrants, and if you are a citizen here, you should have a problem with illegal immigrants as well. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna give the officer 5 out of 5, not 4 out of 5, because honestly, if I would have snatched the paper out of his hand like that, I'd probably be going to jail. Okay, so that was a bit much at the end. I ain't even gonna lie. So anyway, 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.